Think Mandurah and think dolphins, crabs, beautiful waterways and beaches? We get it. What you might not know about Mandurah is that there are a lot of pretty special places to visit on dry land in our city centre. While the weather cools down, Mandurah is just warming up. Let's do something different this year. Let's ignore that urge to stay indoors. Let's do winter. Our restaurants and cafes are cooking up something special this winter with experimental food labs and Christmas in July dinners. There's live music around every corner this winter with jazz nights, tribute shows, karaoke and open mic nights. So go on, step outside of your ordinary and check out letsdowinter.com.au.